Is it possible to make a floating device out of a CandyWrap bag? Let's check it out. Let's test if it floats. Ooh. Seems to work out. Okay, let's test if the floating device will work out. Seems to work out. It will work with one CandyWrap bag, but will it work out with two CandyWrap bags? Let's test it. 1, 2, 3. Let's try buckle them together. Okay, let's test it. Let's test the combined CandyWrap floating device. Woo. Grab onto your CandyWrap bags. Whoa! And now let's sit on it. It's a floating chair. So that's it for this video. Yes, a CandyWrap bag can be a floating device and a bike bag at the same time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!